Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your credit card design with Bank of America. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Bank of America online banking account. Navigate to the Accounts section of your dashboard. Locate the credit card account you wish to upgrade. Click on the card to access the account details. Look for the option labeled Manage Card or Card Options. Select the Upgrade Design feature. Browse through the available card designs displayed on the screen. Review any descriptions or benefits associated with each design. Choose the design that appeals to you the most. Confirm your selection by clicking on the Continue button. Follow any prompts to verify your identity if needed. Review the details of your new card design. Affirm that you wish to proceed with the design change. Submit your request for the card design upgrade. Wait for a confirmation message that your request is being processed. Watch for your new card to arrive in the mail within a few weeks. Once received, activate your new card as per the instructions. Enjoy your new credit card design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.